Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about a fantastic AI template where you can upload your research paper, that is reference papers, and you can get the summary of the literature review instantly. And also it has different option where you can ask questions to that particular reference paper. That template will answer, the AI template will answer for you. And also there are possible questions available in this particular template. So that also help you to make your literature review very better. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on redefining academic writing, the role of ChatGPT and AI in crafting research paper. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring out a better content from ChatGPT using our research prompts. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register this online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. In order to explore that AI template, so go to LMS Research Support. This leads to the website here. So in this you will be having AI chatbot. So in this you can see different options are available: summarizer, grammar corrector, paraphrasing, literature review, explain the table, generate MATLAB code, chatbot, blog article, detailed literature review, chat with paper, chat with PDF, reference to content, reference style converter. So these are the different AI templates available, especially designed for research. So in this video we are going to explore the option called chat with PDF. So in this you can upload your PDF document, that is your reference paper, and you can get instantly the literature review of the reference paper. So let us explore this template. So just to click on chat with PDF. So this is the chatbot of that is dashboard of this chat with PDF option. So here you can see drag and drop file here. So here you can upload your document. In order to explore this template, so I am going to upload a random paper here. So browse files. So you can select the random paper here. So here these are the possible questions that can be asked related with that paper. So here you can see these are the possible questions. Explain the abstract of the paper in 2 lines. What are the contributions of this paper? Find related papers. Explain the practical implications of this paper. Summarize introduction of this paper, literature survey of this paper, methods used in this paper, what data has been used in this paper, results of the paper, conclusions from the paper. So these are the possible questions that can be asked in this particular paper. So here, in order to get a better understanding, I am going to show what is the paper it is. So this is the paper I have uploaded, that is evaluating new approaches of big data analytics framework. So this is the paper I have uploaded. So let us see how this template works out. So after that, what you can do is you can copy the literature survey of this paper. So copy and paste the content here, that is the question here, literature survey of the paper. So after that you can give ask. So let us see how this AI will generate answer for us. So here it will generate, by analyzing the paper, it will generate literature review, a comprehensive summarized version of a literature review. So here you can see a paper discusses new processing framework for big and small data in distributed environments and presents a benchmark between 2 frameworks. So Apache Flink and Apache Spark. The authors compare the performance of these frameworks for different algorithms, categories and real world data sets. They conclude that Apache Flink is more efficient for graph processing and data mining algorithms, while Apache Spark has advantages in batch processing algorithm. The paper also mentions other framework like 𝐲𝐴RAPH, HAMA, Asteroid, GraphLab, but does not provide detailed comparison between them. So this is how the literature review of the paper will be generated. So here you can see what is the paper is all about and what are the techniques analyzed in the particular paper. So after that, what is the problem associated, that is the possible demerits or limitations associated with the particular paper. So here you can see it is not compared. So you can make use of the option to compare this different frameworks also. So like that you can get an instant literature review. So but just by uploading your reference paper you can get a better idea about that. So you can make an instant literature review using this template also. Other than that, you will be having different templates, that is literature review and detailed literature review. So sorry, literature review and reference to content. So these are the two templates which will be used for instant literature review. So just copy and paste your references, it will generate that is instant literature review for you. So you can make use of this option also. So this is all about this chat with PDF option. So other than that, you can ask any question you want. For example, explain the abstract of the paper in 2 lines. You can copy and paste the content here. So sorry, the question here. So after that, click ask. So a summarized version of the abstract will be generated. So here you can see in 2 lines it has given what is used in this paper. So for example, if you want to summarize the introduction of this paper, so you can copy and paste, summarize the introduction of the paper. So after that, click ask. So it will summarize the introduction of the particular paper you have uploaded. So the introduction of the paper discusses the growing importance of big data and challenges associated with the processing large volumes of data. It mentions that while the Hadoop system has been widely used for batch processing, it has limitations in terms of efficiency, performance of for complex algorithms. So like that, it will generate the content for introduction. So like that, you can analyze your reference paper bits and pieces just by uploading it, and you can get a better literature review out of it. So like that, make use of this option to make your research paper writing simple.